everybody, and welcome to this week's episode of Engine Gremlin. You may have noticed that I am wearing sunglasses, and I'm doing it inside. Is it time to party?
It's party time!
No. Is it because I'm super cool? Well, I like to think so, but probably not. History would dictate that I'm a bit of a dork. The truth is, I just came from an eye appointment and my eyes are dilated. So if I were to take these off and look at any particular bright light, it would suck. Oh, me. So I'm gonna be taking it easy on the car. But in the meantime, our wonderful friend of the show, Zach, and one of my best friends, he's been a tremendous help here on the channel, has been working on rendering the vehicle. So we're gonna be showing you a really cool cinematic time lapse of the car and the work that he's been putting in for the rendering. So, not gonna be a whole lot of groundbreaking progress this week, but please enjoy what we have for you this week. Thank you guys so much for watching this week's episode of Engine Gremlin. Again, a huge thank you to Zach for all the work that he's been putting into on rendering the vehicle. Don't forget to check us out on Twitter and Instagram. Also, if you could like and subscribe on YouTube, that would really help us. That helps us create regular content, and it makes it better, to be honest. So, Hey everybody, thanks for watching this week's episode. A special thank you to our very first Patreon patron, Vanessa. Thank you so much for your support. It is extremely appreciated, and we hope that we find others like you that are willing to support the channel in the future. Also, this episode was a little bit different this week. I was playing around with the editing, having some fun, throwing in a few goobery bits of nonsense in there. So, if you liked it, let us know down in the comments, or if you didn't like it, let us know in the comments. Let us know what you'd like to see. We're anxious to see what you guys come back with. So, I will see you guys next time.